Hello there, grade 11 ABM students. Welcome to our lesson, Organization and Management. I am Genevieve P. De Guzman, your teacher for today. Kindly grab your learning modules for our subject and let us start the lesson. Tara, ML na tayo. So our lesson for today is Definition and Functions of Management. At the end of this lesson, the students are expected to discuss the definition and the 5 functions of management. Let us first have a short history of the word management. Management comes from the old French word management, which means the art of conducting and directing. Also, it came from the Latin word manu agere, which means to lead by the hand. And we have here the definition for management. Can you please read the definition? Thank you. From the definition, we can say that management is composed of several processes. The process of, first, directing, the process of controlling, decision making, organizing, and motivation of human resources. At the same time, process of management of other resources of the company like the information, the physical and financial resources to achieve the goals of the company efficiently and effectively. By principle, there are 5 functions of management that made up the management process. These functions are: first, planning, organizing, staffing, leading, and controlling. Let us first discuss planning. What is planning? Why do you think planning is important? Planning is also called charting for the future. It is designed to set goals, establish strategies, and develop plans to coordinate activities. At this stage, we also answer the questions what, when, and how. What to do, when to do it, and how it's gonna be done. Planning also involves setting up the company's mission, vision, and objectives. That's why planning is very important. The second function of management is organizing. What do you think will happen if the company or a business is not organized? Organizing is also called the backbone of the company. So if the company has a weak or no backbone at all, it will collapse, right? Yes. So organizing involves defining and providing human and non-human resources to the organizational structure. At the same time, in organizing, we group activities together that are the same to make the process or the procedure inside the company smoothly. The third function of management is staffing. Staffing refers to the process of finding the right employee with right qualifications or experience and recruiting them to fill the position or the role or the job. It also involves training and development of employees. In staffing, it also involves compensation, remuneration, and performance appraisal. The fourth function of management is leading. Leading or directing. It also calls makes the plan concrete. Leading makes the plan concrete. It involves supervision, motivation, guidance of employees. The last function of management is controlling. Controlling involves monitoring of activities to ensure that they are accomplished as planned. In controlling, it also involves measurement or measuring of performance on a set standards and correcting this performance if there is any deviation. That is controlling. So in summary, we have here the overview of the management process. We have there the input, our resources, most especially the human resources, capital or money resources and equipment. Next is the process. Those are the 5 functions. These 5 functions are in charge on how they're going to manage those resources, those input. And the target is having the goals achieved efficiently and effectively. That's the overview of the management process. But what is the meaning of efficiently and effectively? We say it is efficient if we do things right. That is, not wasting any resources. Or the definition is, efficiency refers to getting the most output from the least amount of inputs. On the other hand, effectiveness means doing the things right, completing the activities so that organizational goals are attained. We can see, in contrast, the definition of efficiency and effectiveness. In efficiency, resources usage is controlled as much as possible, low waste. In effectiveness, the target there is goal attainment. The higher the attainment, the better. Management strives for low resources waste, high efficiency, at the same time, high goal attainment, high efficiency. And that will depend on how you're going to handle the 5 functions of management. The planning, organizing, staffing, directing or leading, and controlling. So that's our lesson for today, the definition and the 5 functions of management. I hope you understand the lesson. Kindly answer all the activities in your learning modules. And do not forget our hashtag, Handang Isip, Handa Bukas. Tara, ML na tayo. Thank you for watching, Grade 11 ABM students.